All right. Little mom in.
Ooh, that looks nice. Right here. See, I'm gonna give you guys the bag. Watch out with this because it doesn't have a strap. It might swing. So I go
On the
other side.
Yeah, you're driving, man.
All right.
I trust you. You check in.
Yeah. And how do I open?
You see the little white button that's shining right now? Press that in. There you go.
Oh, got it.
All right, man. Go ahead and adjust your seat from the side. The controls will be there. Get comfortable.
I'm not even sure if I'm able to see it right there. Yep. Let's just swing.
Comfortable.
Yep.
Feel good. Go ahead and press the brake for me. There we go. Now the truck's on and ready to go. So, Teslas have a feature with the new ones, except the Model Y that's currently out.
Okay.
They all have a feature where if you have your seatbelt on, when you press the brake, the car would detect, depending on the cameras and the sensors,
Okay.
what direction you should be going. So clearly, it notices that there's a truck very, very close to us behind.
Yeah.
Right there. So it automatically put us into drive. You can turn that feature off. You don't have to have it on. But your shifter is going to be right there. So it's
Which
in
one?
drive.
The slide?
Yep. So slide it back for me. That's reverse. There we go. And just tap right in the middle. Right there. That's park.
Okay. Oh, I felt the brake move.
Yeah.
Nice.
And your turn signals will be right on the
These
steering
two?
wheel. Yep. So press one of them. Either one. And you'll get the blind spot camera for both sides too.
And to turn it off, press it again?
It's the same one. Yep. There you go. A lot of times when you're driving normal, and let's say you're changing the lanes, switching lanes, however, the second you change the lane, it automatically will shut off too. So you don't have to like press it again. It automatically will cut itself off.
Oh, nice.
Alright, so as far as our route, we're gonna do 4 right turns, circle around, and come right back.
Okay, so I turn on
Yep.
this light.
Alright, man. So slide it up.
Oh,
Slide
up?
Yep. For drive. There you go.
Okay. So.
We're off to a good start, man. You didn't smack my head in the back of the seat.
Other people are a little rough.
That's why initially I ask if it's your first time driving a Tesla, period. Just because, you know, some people don't have that experience. So
Okay.
when they first get in, smack on.
Yeah.
So it's a little rough. But once you ease into it, once you make like a turn or drive it for like a second or two,
You get used to it.
get used to it. You kind of get an idea. Because it's more like in a way, muscle memory.
Yeah,
Kinda
I see what you
get
mean.
used to it. Yeah. What do you drive right now?
Toyota Highlander.
Good car.
Yeah. So 2021. It's pretty nice.
2017. Back in the day.
Yeah.
Back in the day, I'm saying like 6 years ago.
But it's still, it's a nice SUV.
100%. It's comfortable.
It's pretty nice. The ceiling is nice too.
Oh, and you can change your gears up here as well.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I don't know if we can capture that.
Good. And I don't know if you heard that little chime. That's for the green light. So the second, let's say if you're not paying attention or anything, the car will chime for you whenever it turns green. You can pull up a little bit. And you'll be good to go. Are you guys from DC or?
Virginia.
Oh, okay.
We're like probably 30 minutes from here.
Well, that's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad, but
Yeah, pretty close to one
Yeah.
of the biggest things in the DMV area. I'm from Maryland, so
Maryland. Okay.
pretty fun for us up there.
It just sucks with the traffic because it's
Yeah,
It's like-
around this time it gets pretty.
it's
annoying.
like 2 hours.
Yeah, man, that's what happened with me this morning when I was on my way here. See what I mean? Like quiet, comfortable.
Yeah, it's very quiet, and I don't even have to touch the brake. It just stops on its own. Yeah, that's how it is with my mom's friend's car. With the, I think it's the Model Y.
Yeah.
I just let go and it just stops. I don't even have to touch the brake.
Yeah. It comes in handy when in traffic like this.
Oh yeah,
You
I
know?
bet.
You
Yeah,
don't have to keep doing the back and forth.
I could just
Exactly.
let go of my foot and just rest there.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Other cars have a similar thing, and gas cars, I mean. They have the hold mode. I'm sure the Highlander has it too.
The
Just turn it
hold.
on. So what happens basically with that is, when you step on your foot on the brake pedal,
Okay.
it'll just hold it there. And
Oh,
you
yeah.
just have to give it gas and it goes again.
Oh yeah, yeah,
But you still have to switch your foot back and forth. So
yeah.
what got you interested in the Cybertruck or Tesla overall in general?
It just looks. This one, I just think it looks pretty cool. The way it's built, the design, yeah. And it's very
cool.
spacious.
Yeah, it's definitely a polarizing thing too. Like when you
Yeah.
see it out in person, or just anyone in general.
Yeah, I
See,
seen
there
it
is.
a few times.
We're catching eyes right there.
Yeah.
That didn't take long.
What I did test it out on the Model Y.
Mhm.
I actually had to search it on YouTube.
Mhm.
I was trying to look for the little.
Yeah. Muscle memory again.
Yeah. That I searched on YouTube was to put it on what I guess you could call it like autopilot.
Mm-hmm.
Like I just put an address or house
Yeah,
address,
it'll take you there.
and I just put the
shifter twice.
the shifter twice, and it'll just
Yeah.
do the turning for you. And I'm
Everything,
like,
right?
wow, that's pretty
This
cool.
one unfortunately doesn't have the full self-drive, so
Unless you like order it,
yeah, or we enable it.
enable it.
Mhm. But it is cool though. It's definitely very nice. Something that comes in handy a lot for a lot of people. Are you guys done with the show for today? Or
No, we were actually just walking in, and then the guy
in the front.
in the front,
Yeah.
he just asked like, "Hey, you want to drive the Cybertruck?" I was like, "Sure." I didn't even hesitate. I was like, "Sure,
100%.
so why not?"
It's definitely cool to see how many people, because obviously we're inside the stores, so obviously those people, we're expecting them to come in.
Okay.
But here, people are here just to see cars.
Yeah.
But when you mention it, it's crazy to see how many people are actually interested.
No,
in
like, they'll say,
driving a
yeah,
Cybertruck, or just in Tesla in general. Makes it fun for us.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind getting a Tesla.
Which one would you go for? Cybertruck.
If I had the money.
There you go, man. Yeah, but they're not. I don't know if this is too much, but they start at 80, but now they qualify for the full 7,500.
Yeah, I think I saw that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I went to the Tesla website and I saw that.
¿Cuánto cuesta este?
75,000, que ya lo bajaron el precio.
Ah, pues nos compramos este cuando terminemos ahí.
Mom immediately asked how much it costs, huh?
Yeah, she was like, once we finish paying off the Highlander, we should get this truck.
The Highlander is 60 mil, ¿no?
Yeah, 60.
Highlander was $60?
Yeah,
Yes.
because we got the unlimited.
Technology, you know?
Yeah, but the cars are getting expensive, Mom.
Yeah,
Yeah, they
Too
are.
much.
yeah, I know.
We actually got lucky when we got the Highlander, because in that year, the pandemic just
Yeah,
started,
that's true.
and then they had stopped making cars,
Yeah.
and we literally got the last one.
Oh, wow. Tesla was still...
Yeah.
we were still producing. It was definitely hard, though, I will say. Because to get, some of the supplies and stuff, so...
I like how it turns. It feels
White
smooth.
car
Yeah.
is the top, Florida top, white.
Why does it have the Florida tag, license plate?
Oh, these are all manufacturer tags. So we're just using all one to drive around and stuff. And
Oh,
Mhm.
okay.
they're provided to us by Tesla.
Provided, okay.
There's some manufacturing tags? No, there's dealer tags. I apologize.
I just,
And then you just pull it right behind it.
I like how it automatically turned for me.
Yeah. I see, like, you show you the front camera and everything now.
Oh, it did that on its own?
I did that.
Oh, you did that.
Yeah. But let's say if you're
Bueno,
having it
vale
in
10,000
reverse,
dólares
like
más,
put it in
pero le
reverse.
bajaron. Así que-
Oh, do I slide it towards the middle? Or?
No, press the brake.
Oh,
and
that's
then
right.
There you go.
estaciona solo.
What were you mentioning?
When you put the car in reverse, let's say like earlier, remember how we had to reverse and then go?
Oh yeah.
So when you do it in reverse and slide it up again into drive, it automatically brings the front camera. Cybertruck was the
nice.
first car that we actually started the front cameras in,
Does this? Oh, I'm assuming it does.
or the front facing camera.
I'm assuming does it have like the assist for parking?
That's part of the full self-drive package.
Okay.
So if we had that, of course, it'll do it and everything. It actually did it earlier with a bunch of other customers with the Model 3.
Okay.
Brings it in, settles itself.
But I'm assuming there's a button for me to press, or
So it'll
because I know.
brake.
Okay, because I know the Model Y has it.
Yeah. So see like how it shows like this spot right there.
That's a car right there.
So
Yeah.
let's say if you pull up to the spot, it'll show P, and you tap on
parking,
it,
okay.
activate, and it does everything on its own.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it'll turn the turn signals on, bring you back in, parallel park, perpendicular, anything. Does all of them.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, man.
No hay punto.
Pretty
And then
amazing.
here's another thing. So let's say if it's not parking for some reason, right? Go ahead and take your seatbelt off for me. Automatically put it in park.
Oh, that's
Safety
nice.
reason. Yeah, safety thing.
That's all.
Yeah.
Right.
Cool, right?
Yeah, that is pretty cool.
Okay.
All right. So to get out,
To get out, you
oh,
just
this
press
button
This button right there. Yep. That's it.
and this push.
Yep.
Awesome.
That's all. Thank you guys for your
No,
time.
thank you.
Of course, of course.
So I had trouble opening, and this is the button right there. Here, I have to hold it down.
Thank you so much.
I'll know for cars next.
Yeah. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, maybe. Yeah.
I'm on in on the other side.
All right, thank you, man.
Yeah, of course. I'll go.
Tómale foto si quiere.